Hi guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online without stress. Yeah, now let's dive into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to cash out your Silencio USDC earning. Do you understand? They pay you for recording and all of that. And if you have received your USDC in your MetaMask, for those that used MetaMask, this is for those that used MetaMask. You know how funny MetaMask can be. You understand? Very slow, hanging and all of that. So this is what we want to do to be able to like cash out our funds easily. So what you want to do here is, I've cashed out my money. Can you see? I have some Peaq left. I'll just give this out to somebody that needs it later. So what you want to do here is you want to copy your seed phrase. You want to import this wallet on the Peaq network. Remember, you've added your Peaq, USDC, blah, 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 and your USDC is appearing here. So you want to import this wallet into another app and all of that. So the reason we are doing that is because MetaMask can be very slow. When I tried to cash out mine, it was very, very slow for me. So I was like struggle to copy my seed phrase. It took me hours even to copy that seed phrase. It was by the grace of God. So you want to copy it so that any other thing we'll be doing after this will be very easy and smooth. So once you take it out of this MetaMask, you come to the top right corner here where you have the straight dash. You tap it. Currently, I have no USDC left because I've cashed it out. Can you see? I guess I'll have to pause this video. So when this comes up, I'll just play. So after you've tapped the three dash, then you see this. Sorry, you go to where you have general. Security and privacy. This is where we are. Security and privacy. You want to get your seed phrase, so you'll be able to move the wallet from here. You want to import it to an app I'm going to be showing you guys. Can you see how very slow it is? Now you come to where you have manage recovery methods. Boom. So let's tap it. Then you answer some simple questions. Don't give out your seed phrase, blah blah blah. You tap review. So make sure you have your MetaMask updated. This is the updated version you get, so you can see everything I'm seeing here. So you make sure you pass these. You take your time to pass these. They'll ask you some simple questions, some security questions. You pass them. Then it will get to a stage where they'll ask you to like hold down a button for your seed phrase to appear. Then you copy that seed phrase and I think paste it on your notepad because you'll be needing it. You understand? So for us not to waste time here, I'm going to be leaving the MetaMask now. So let's move forward. Answer this. Can't help you. Then the next one is you are being scammed. The next answer is you are being scammed, blah blah. So yeah, this is the first thing you need to do. The first step is, if you use MetaMask, open your MetaMask, copy your seed phrase. Do you understand me now? We are going to be importing this your wallet into another app. So every other thing we'll be doing will be very easy and smooth. See how slow MetaMask is. Very, very annoying. Alright guys, so after you've copied your seed phrase from your MetaMask, this is the next thing you want to do. You go to your Google Play Store and search for this app called TokenPocket. I have it installed on my phone already, so I'm just going to open it. TokenPocket. Now I have it here. So what we want to do now is make sure you've copied your seed phrase. What we want to do is we want to import our wallet from MetaMask here. Do you understand? To make it fast, this is the method I used and it's worked for me. Some people claim there is other method you can use. No problem, you can use other methods too, but this just worked fine for me and I'm sharing with you guys now. So you go to where you have your me here. You tap it. So we want to import the wallet, manage wallets. This is it here. No time to waste. Manage wallet. So this is what you are going to do first. You are going to scroll. You look for the Peaq logo. Okay. In case you don't know it, you can just I think you can type it. Well, let me just show you here. This is the Peaq logo. Oh, leave here. This is the Peaq logo. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is the Peaq logo here. You select it. This is the Peaq logo. So you tap add wallet. Remember, it's on Peaq Network. So you tap add wallet. You want to import it. Import wallet. Recovery phrase. Then I'm going to pause this. I'm going to paste my recovery phrase. You can leave this, pick one, impute your password. You create a password, impute it, read, agree, then import wallet. Then you will see your Peaq balance on that's if you've deposited Peaq before, because you've been needing some Peaq. I used less than one Peaq, because I had 3 Peaq. I used less than 1 Peaq to do my bridging and swapping and all of that. Very, very cheap. Do you understand? So if you have some Peaq in your wallet before, it will appear here after importing your wallet, and if not, it will still, you don't have to panic. Do you understand? So let me import my wallet now. All right, so I've successfully imported my wallet. Now let's check it out. Asset. Now I have my Peaq. I have 3 Peaq here in my Peaq wallet. Do you understand? Now the next thing we want to do now is to add our USDC token on the Peaq network. If you have your USDC already before, you have your USDC, you've received it in your USDC wallet, so you want to add it so it will appear here. And if you've not received this, don't panic. You can still import it here. So when they send it to your address, it will appear here instead of you having to wait there in MetaMask. You understand me? So you come to this plus here, you tap it, you go to where we have custom token. So you'll be needing a contract address of the USDC token, which I'll be dropping in the comment section or description of this video. The contract address of the USDC token, you'll be needing it to generate its custom token. I have my USDC generated already, so if I want to try to add it, it will show me token exists. So you come to where we have add token, you tap add token, then you will impute the contract address of the USDC wallet. You paste it here, the symbol, which is 6, will come out, decimal, blah blah, and we are good to go. So I have it here already, so I'm just going to tap this plus sign. Do you understand me? And I have it already here appearing. I have 0 balance here because I've already transferred my USDC and I've cashed it out already, so I have no USDC left in my wallet. And this is just what you need to do. Do you understand me? You've successfully imported it on the Peaq network into another app. Do you understand? You have your wallets here active. The reason I have those 3 Peaq is for gas fee, so I'll be able to swap, because you're doing a swapping, so you'll be needing some Peaq as gas fee. You understand? The bridging, you are bridging from the Peaq network to base. Do you understand? So you'll be able to sell it. Do you understand? Because most exchanges don't support USDC on Peaq. Most exchanges don't support USDC on Peaq, so there's no way you'll be able to sell it for USDC and send to exchanges. So you need to swap the network. Do you understand? So you need some gas fee from the real network. Do you understand? So you're able to swap to a new network. So we are using Base. I used Base. So now you go to Discover here. This is the app browser. Do you understand me? You go here, then input. I'll be dropping a link to the website. This is the website down here. You see, I've done this before. www.squidrouter.com. You get, so you can just paste it in the browser. I'm going to tap it here. Enter swap token, blah blah. So we need this website to bridge our USDC token on the Peaq network to Base network. You understand me now? So we are going to be connecting this website to our wallet. Make sure you are on the Peaq network here. You're connected. So you go to the top right corner where you have this 3 dash. You tap it. Yeah. You tap it, then you go to where you have swap. Scroll. Then you tap swap down here. You tap swap. Tap swap. Hamster combat. Damn. Can you see? So let's give some time to load up. Good. Now we have. Let me connect. You connect to this token pocket app. So let's give it some time. All right. So I've successfully connected this website to my. Can you see the address here? This is my Peaq address. So I've connected it to the wallet. You do understand? So what I want to do now is I want to. This is what you want to do now. Now I have USDC. You come here. You select the chain. This is the chain. Peaq network. the Peaq blockchain selected already, then there will be a part that they ask you to select token. So this is the chain. You come to this chain section, right? Okay. Then for the token USDC, seeing, so we have Peaq. This is the Peaq here. The Peaq chain is already here on its own. Do you understand? So once USDC on Peaq Network, then you scroll. You know what you know the logo of the Peaq Network already now. Then you scroll, you look for the one that has, can you see it here? Can you see it here? Good. Then you tap it. You get, I have it added there already. Do you understand? So we are swapping from this Peaq chain to base, so we'll be able to transfer. So we're having USDC on base, and we'll be able to transfer to our exchange. So now it's already on base here. So this is the base logo. I've done it before, and that's why it's here for me. You get, this is the base logo, and I have my USDC on it. So you will be, I have no USDC balance. I've sold everything. So you have your balance appearing here. Sorry, don't, let me go back. You have sorry, can you see it? So you swap, you have your balance here, you enter the amount. If it's all of the money you want to swap to base network, no problem. Then you do it, enter amount, and boom boom. Make sure you have some Peaq here or else it won't work. Yeah, so you can deposit at least 1 Peaq, but they'll be deducting less than that. So have that in your Peaq wallet, so able to do the bridging swapping easily. So you enter the amount and everything. Then from there, you will have your USDC moved from the Peaq network to the base network. Do you understand? Then let's go back to our wallet. So after you've successfully swapped your token, make sure you've copied your, what's it called, your seed phrase. You have your seed phrase copied. You understand? So you go to where you have me again. You go to manage wallet. Remember, even okay, good. So you remember you swapped, even if you had remember you swapped your USDC on Peaq to base. Now your USDC won't appear here anymore. You get, your USDC won't appear here anymore. I think I still have some USDC left, but because I had already swapped to base network, that's why it's not appearing, because I'm currently on Peaq. Yeah, so it's not going to appear here anymore. It has been moved to the base network. So how do you see it? Go to where you have me, go to where you have manage wallet, look for the base network. It's okay, let's see. You will see it now. Let me show you what logo. This is base here. This is base here. This is what base looks like. Blue. Good. Can you see? Then you go to where we have add wallet. You add wallet, import token, recovery phrase. Then I'm going to paste my recovery phrase now. So after you've inputted your password and your phrase, no, you make sure you switch from private key. Don't select, you put it on phrase. Make sure you're on the phrase. You get, then you input your phrase here, then tap import wallet. I think I have some years. Then you come to assets. Can you see, guys? This is my remaining USDs. I'll show you the transaction this thing now. Good. So this is it. You can see this. Even it's going to appear with the transaction and everything. You get. So yeah, I received 18 USDC, which is like $18 from Silencio. So this is it. Proof that I cashed out. I got it and I sent it out to my exchange. This is the history here. Yeah, sorry, in. So I received it out, boom, and I sent it to another exchange and I cashed it out. So that is the thing. So after you've swapped, you've bridged to the base network, you have to import your USDC on the base network for your USDC to appear. After you've done the bridging, you won't see it on the Peaq network anymore. It will look empty, like you sent it out. You understand? So all you just have to do is to like switch network, go to the base network, put your seed phrase, import the token on the network, and it's going to appear there. Do you understand, guys? So that is just all you need to do. USDC on base. So this is my remaining USDC. It was not appearing on Peaq, so I had to like switch to base, and this is the remainder here. Can you see? So my mine is on base network. So even if Silencio wants to send me another payment, I'm going to see it here, and I don't have to do bridging again. You get? I'm going to see it here, and I'm going to send it out. Do you understand, guys? So this is all you need to do. If you have any question, use the comment section, ask your questions. But before you ask questions, make sure you've watched this video. I understand it can be a bit, complex and all of that. For the newbies, calm down, watch the video, rewatch, try, make mistakes, try until you get it. Do you understand? If you find this video helpful, you know what to do, guys. Hit the subscribe button, support me, you understand. Like this video, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be dropping more any updates, crypto, online survey, blah 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 blah. You understand me, guys? So thank you and God bless you. It's the bun done here. Bye for now.